Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a failing intermediate steering shaft and it's time to replace it? This is a intermediate steering shaft, and this part here goes straight connecting to the steering column, and this part here is going to connect straight to the rack and pinion. As you can see, this part here is going to be the shaft, and this part here is going to be the U-joints. And when these parts start to fail, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. The first sign of a failing intermediate steering shaft is going to be noise. When the U-joints start to fail and there is a lot of play, you're going to notice clunking noise or thumping noise or popping noise when turning left and right. And the most common noise you're going to hear, it is going to be clicking noise coming from the intermediate shaft when you turn your steering wheel left or right. And of course, do not confuse this with a failing axle. The next sign it is time to replace the intermediate steering shaft. It is going to be the steering wheel feels too loose. If there is too much free play and when you're turning left or right and you have to turn more than usual, or the steering feels very loose and you can't maintain a straight line, that's how you know the intermediate steering shaft might be the issue. The next sign it is time to replace the intermediate steering shaft is going to be, you're going to notice that when you make a turn and when you try to move the steering wheel back to its original position, and if you're having a hard time moving the steering wheel back to the original position, it might be possible that the intermediate steering shaft U-joints that's on it might be bad. The next sign of a failing intermediate steering shaft caused by bad U-joint, it is going to be, you're going to have a hard time turning left or right. If you're trying to turn left or right and it feels like when you're trying to steer and it does not feel smooth at all, that could be a sign there's something wrong with the U-joints. If that U-joint fell completely and end up seizing or binding because it is dried out or it is falling apart, it is very possible that you can't even turn your steering wheel at all. It is simple to check for a bad intermediate steering shaft. So this part here is going to be located in the engine bay area on the driver's side. And all you gotta do is you just got to grab the steering shaft and grab one end of the U-joint and try turning it left and right. Make sure there is no excessive movement and make sure there is no play. And also make sure to do it to the other side as well and turn it left and right. Again, make sure there is no play and make sure there is no movements. And also make sure that this part here is not falling apart, and that is going to be the cap area. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.